Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, today is the bunny group swap reveal for group number 1, and starting us off today is Stephanie Moore. I just wanted to show you how cute she decorated the box, and it's a huge box, guys. It's big. So we are going to take everything out and go ahead and go through her swap and see what she has sent. Guys, I just wanted to show you how fun her box was to open. She put all this shred and eggs and carrots, and she did send me a little note. She said the candy and the loose candy in the box was for me as an extra treat. Thank you so much. So this was a fun box to open, just so you see all that goodness in there, guys. Now let's get her swap. Okay, guys, so here are her packages, and she has, look at all that beautiful packaging. Look at all that goodness in there. Oh my goodness. So this one is for Precious. She has personalized each one of them. This one is for Diana, and my card was right here, and I've already opened my card. So let's go ahead and open her package and see what she has included for the whole group. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Okay, so here is her envelope. She's included, you know what, guys, I just came across these the other day that I was into Dollar Tree. They are so beautiful, very precious. Love that. So let me go ahead and take everything out of the envelope so we can see her envelope. Love that. So let's take this out. Look at her envelope. Oh, how pretty. Look at that. Oh, that's different. I wonder if she made that. That is so different. Beautiful little flowers up here. Oh, that is so pretty. She's got this beautiful pink and white fencing with the little bunnies. This one's holding little flowers. This one's holding a little sign. The eggs, the carrot. Oh, that paper is beautiful. Let's go on a hunt. Oh, this is so pretty. Thank you so much, Stephanie. That's beautiful. You did an amazing job on this one. Love it. And then let's see what is in here. These are her 2 handmade flowers. Aren't these pretty? She made the leaves as well. Oh, these are so pretty. Love these. Very pretty. Thank you, Stephanie. And her mini wand. Oh, how cute. Look at this little mini wand. She has used this is the back. She decorated both sides. You are some bunny special. Little bunny right there. Some bows. Beautiful straw, another gingham bow with a flower in the center, this little candy that says sweet, some eggs, and this tiny little chick. She used some flocked tulle. Oh my goodness. And then there's this in the back. I'm not sure what the back part is, but it's so pretty. You did good. I love the size of this wand. Very nice. Thank you, ma'am. And this is her tag. Another little candy right there. Chicks. There's another cute little candy right there. There's her bow. Her hanging or tying element. So super cute. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, you did good, Stephanie. Thank you. And then her dangle is right here, guys. She put it on a binder clip with a little bunny. Oh, that's so cute. She's put this gorgeous butterfly on here, different beads, flowers. Oh, look at this one. This one's like a little locket. This one opens up. How cool is that? They are so pretty. Oh, look at this little bunny. And then the pink bead. Very, very pretty. Oh my goodness, Stephanie, that's pretty. Thank you. Thank you so much. I love that. And then her die cuts. right here. So I'm gonna open this up and see what she sent. All right, guys, she sent some bag toppers. She sent some borders. She sent some eggs. Oh, that's cute. And then she sent another one with bunnies in it. I wonder if these are layered. These are supposed to be layered, I think. Yeah, we can layer these. I'm not sure exactly how they go, but we can layer these. How cute. These are layering pieces. And this is the outer piece. Here are some more. Maybe it goes with this one. Oh yeah, we're supposed to layer these. Oh, that's cool. And then here's this one. This is pretty. That's pretty. Look at this one, guys. Look at that beautiful castle. How cool is that? And then she sent us a memory decks card. 2 of them. This one might be the layering piece for this one. How cool. Oh, that's neat. Well, thank you, Stephanie. I appreciate that. I'm sure the girls will too. All right, so let's get into her little bunny here. Oh, isn't that bunny cute? Okay, so let's open the bunny up and let's see what she's included for her extras. Whoops. Wow, she packed a lot in this little bag. So let's go with this. This is, oh, how cute are these? This is a little vinyl pouch. Oh, that's cool. That is really cool. I like that. Think positive. Well, I'm positive I like it. That is so cool. Just love that. Thank you. And then she sent a package of jewels and gems. These are from the Dollar Tree. Super, super nice. I've never had one of these. And then she sent us some sequins in this hot pink color. Very pretty. And then look at this, guy. She sent us a little stapler. How cool is that? So super cool. It's a tiny stapler and it's got the staples with it. So it's the tiny attacher in this gorgeous color. I want to figure out how to put staples in it and staple for you guys. Oh, how cute. Oh my gosh. And it fits good in the hand. Oh, that is so cool, Stephanie. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Thank you so, so much. I really love that. Thank you, Stephanie. All right, let's go to the next person. Okay, guys, so I have to explain a little something. So Precious Wilson was our next person up, but she was a little confused on how exactly group swaps worked. So we had confusion in there, so she was not able to send her swap in. It's not because she flaked. She did not flake. She participated in another swap and everything went great. She thought group swaps were the same, so there was confusion in there. I just want you guys to know she did not flake. Okay, so I went ahead and told her I would fill in for her. So I have made 2 of the loaded pockets. I don't have the extras in here yet, but they will be in your package when I send your package out. But I wanted to go ahead and show you that I did use the 2 examples that I showed you guys. I went ahead and used those as the loaded pockets. This one was not embellished or anything. I went ahead and finished this one up. And I don't think I used the wand. I did not use the wand, and I didn't use the dangle that I had shown you guys because that one was actually given to me and I didn't use that one. So I made dangles for both of them. So I'm just gonna go through one of them, and because they're almost the same. Not exactly, but since I had to make them so quickly, that's why I went ahead and used both of these. So I'm going to just go really quickly on what I did to these. So I made the dangle, and there is the dangle. I made a beaded dangle that says spring, and then I put all the beads in there that I have been working on, and I'm so glad that I did because it made the process so much quicker. And I used one of the eggs on both of them, and this is one of them, and I just put them on a piece of cardstock to put it in there. And then this was the one that I made. I made two ones. Let me show you the other one. They're the same, except, you know, the colors are a little bit different. And on this dangle, it's just, you know, it's like the other one, just use the same kind of beads. Okay. And then the tag, this one, this is the tag that I had shown you guys. The new tag, or the other tag, looks like this. So they're almost the same, but not exactly. So there's that. And then my Handmade Flowers, both packages are the same. I required 2 flowers. This one has 4. I thought this was a beautiful spring color mix. And this is the first envelope, or the first loaded envelope. And let me empty this one so I can show you this one. There we go. And this is the second one, the one that I embellished, that I had already made. And ladies, you will get your extras in here. I have a bin where I have everything that I can ever give away. I always buy extra this, extra that, and I will make sure and load you ladies up so that you will have your extras. And you know, I kind of feel bad about the misunderstanding, but it, you know, was that just a misunderstanding, and you will get a swap either way. Okay, ladies? So that was the story behind the next participant. And let's go on to our last one. All right, and this one comes from Diana Miranda. And again, she has made 3 packages. So she did make 3 packages, and one of them has my name on it. How cool is that? It's a felt banner, and I don't know, maybe this was an iron-on, or I don't know how she did that, but that's so cool. Look at the names on here. That is so neat, and that ribbon is just beautiful. So let's go ahead and open the one she's made for me. And this name banner, how cool. Dinah, you'll have to let me know how you did that. That's so cool. I love it. Okay, so I took everything out of the bag, and look at all the sequins that she put in the bag. That looks so pretty. Thank you so much, ma'am. And then she did send a cute little card, "You're sweeter than jelly beans," and she's just then thanking me for hosting the swap. This was her first group swap and her first time making a dangle. Okay, thank you so much, Diana. I appreciate all the hard work and effort you put into this because it's gorgeous. Thank you. And here is Diana's loaded pocket, and that is so pretty. Let's take this out and look at her pocket. How pretty is this? Oh, look at that little egg, shaker egg. That is so pretty. A little flower there, the little bunnies. It's pretty trim on the back. Oh, it looks like 2 trims. So super cute. So super cute. You did very, very good, Diana. Thank you. That is beautiful. Just love it. So that is her loaded pocket. And then here is her wand. How pretty. She has her rosette. She's got a really pretty bunny on the front with a bow. Look at the little accents she put on the bow. That looks like a foam bow. And then she put some pom-poms around it. Very cute. It looks like she paper pieced this. Very nice. And then she finished off the back beautifully. The straw matches perfectly. Great job, Diana. Thank you. And then this is her tag. How cute is this little shaker tag? She put some of the sequins in there. She put a couple little bunnies, a puffy egg with a really soft flower, another egg, and she put it on this pretty carrot paper. Very nice. Her tie. Very good. Thank you, Diana. I appreciate you. That's very pretty. Thank you. And then these are her 2 handmade flowers. I'm trying to get all these little sequins together. How pretty are these? Oh my goodness. It looks like she used a dye, but they're so pretty and they're big. Beautiful baby pink color and this aqua blue. Beautiful centers there. Very pretty. You did really good, Diana. Thank you. And then she sent us this cute memory decks card. Guys, how adorable. And it's got all her information on the back. So super cute. Instagram, Nanny's Miranda 2. So super cute. Love it. That is so cute. It looks like she inked the edges to make it a little darker and more detailed. Very nice job. Thank you, Diana. These are her die cuts. And this is her dangle, guys. Oh my goodness, how cute is this huge dangle? Look at all these. She put the little candy in there. She did some wire wrapping. Bumblebee. Oh, these, I think these are erasers. This one is an eraser and this one. So super cute. Look at that bead. That's so cute. Oh my goodness. You did good for your first dangle. Oh my goodness. It doesn't look like a first dangle. It looks like you've been making dangles for a minute. How pretty is that? And then she's got this paper clip up here. I think it was just clipped onto the pocket, but how cute is that? Oh my goodness, I love that. Thank you, Dana. You did really good. And these are her die cuts. All right, guys, for her die cuts, she has sent some tiny little bunnies. Look at these little bunnies. Oh my goodness, look at this one. Oh, they're tiny little bunnies. How cute. And then she sent us the stars, the shooting stars. And this feels like foam. Those are so pretty. And then she sent us some picture frames, some hearts. So super good. How different is that one? These are pretty. And then she sent us these. Look at the little Ferris wheel, guys. How pretty. With something in the back, look. Oh my goodness. So this doily, this beautiful little sun. Oh no, this is a bag topper. Cute little bag topper. Oh, how cute. That is a cute little bag topper. And then she sent us this little envelope. So I don't want to, this cute little envelope right here. And this is for a rosette. Pretty. You can make 2 small rosettes with that. This one says, love ya. Hello and thanks. How pretty. And then we have the little circles for the rosette, a border, and then one of the beautiful bag toppers. How pretty. I don't have this bag topper. Super, super pretty. Thank you, Diana. And then she has sent us a package of stickers. These, I believe, are from Hobby Lobby. How pretty are these bunnies? Flowers, the chicks. Very pretty. Thank you, ma'am. And then these are, I think these are rub-ons. So pretty. Oh, I don't have any of these, so thank you so much. All right, ladies, that was group 1 of our swap groups, and we will see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Y'all have a wonderful day.